tell me about this tarp setup here.
We got, I got 2 branches, and then I rolled it up so that, and it bunched up at the bottom, so it made kind of a V, got it pinned against the wall, ran to the back of the bucket, so that and the bucket has water in it, it kind of supports it in place like a little frame.
And that just recirculates.
And just recirculates. You just got to get enough slope on the tarp that you don't have any sags so that the water doesn't pool up. It goes right back in the bucket, because as soon as this thing, the water gets low, it just stops working.
Yeah.
Move it over to the next spot. Just kind of lower the bucket, the sticks. Don't trip on the hose.
It's clogging up again. Our pressure washer's clogging up.
Yeah, I think that part just doesn't like the...
All right, so I just... I don't know if that'll make it. That's not a problem. So, at some point. Ah, there we go. Chris, we've had some issues with the pressure washer. What are they so far?
Well, the tip getting clogged, you just have to take this off, and sometimes debris gets up in there.
Uh-huh. And that's
And
quick
then
connect.
We got a quick connect here, but sometimes just cleaning the tip isn't enough, so you gotta go through each of the parts and get the debris out.
And now we have to find a battery that actually will stay in it,
Yeah.
which hopefully
Hopefully this
one will, yeah.
Yes, this one does.
Yay, all right. Yeah. Oh, dang it.
Might have gotten air in it.
Oh, I accidentally scooped it a little bit. But yeah, it's not quite doing it.
See how you like that?
Okay, so we just emptied out the silty water, put some fresh water in there, and we're gonna see if this makes it work better or if it's an actual pressure washer issue. So we just emptied out the silty water, put some fresh water in there, and we're gonna see if this makes it work better or if it's an actual pressure washer issue. Okay, let's try here again. No.
The hose is drained.
Oh.
So you just gotta let it run until it gets filled. No, it's a tip, it would run more than that.
Yeah. I wonder if something big got lodged in there somehow. If we need to like clean it out something more.
Just do that for now until it fills up.
There we go. Yep.
And then it's leaking right out there
Oh.
because it was going since that's less pressure, I could feel it leaking down.
Well, I think we proved that it's not the water quality that's the issue, at least right now.
Yeah. I see a bubble traveling up it.
Is it getting stuck or is it still going?
It's stuck. There's a bubble just sitting there.
That would seem to indicate that it's the hose. If it's, oh, whoa, yeah, there's a bunch of silt.
It's going a little tiny bit, but not very much. Maybe we need an inline filter before that or something.
It's full of sand.
So recirculating with this is I've already done first.
Yeah.
It's out of water again.
Is it-
It
okay.
wasn't collecting as much water.
I think that's a good proof of
I
concept.
kind of think that we need to. We want to use up the rest of this water and then.
And Damien's water.
Okay, well then let's just do it. Let's just keep going. Are you sure it's? I think we need to de-silt it. Yeah.
And then it's still terrible over there.